Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick, easy, and inexpensive way on how to do your nails at home. Maybe you're on a budget right now due to this whole quarantine situation, or maybe you just don't want to spend as much money at the nail salon, or maybe you like to customize your nails at home. Then this video is for you. I'm going to show you everything you need to get it done, and we're just going to jump right to it. Alright, so this is what we're going to be working with today. As you can see, we have nail polish remover, I have my cotton pads, we have a nail buffer, the nail files, the nail polish I picked out. This one is by MAC and the color is Cream Delicate. I also have a clear nail polish just to go over this one as soon as we're done. And the sets that we're going to be working with are the glue-on nail sets by Kiss. I have two different sets. We get to choose from either the shorter set, which technically just looks like you've got a really nice manicure done, or I have the set with the longer nails that you can just file to whatever your desire. We still have a bunch of DIY projects coming up within the next days, but I'm feeling a little adventurous today and I'm gonna go with the longer set. So I'm gonna put the shorter ones away for now, but maybe I can do another video about these in a little while. I am not a certified nail technician. Like I said, this is my personal way on how I do my nails at home. I just want to give you an option. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna get all of this out of the way first. I like to start with nail polish remover. So just using the cotton pads to get any excess off my nails, just in case if there is anything left, or some lotion that I put on prior to doing my nails. So I'm gonna just go over my nails real quick, make sure they're all clean and ready to go. All right. Put that to the side. For the next step, I like to use a nail file and just roughen up my nails a little bit so the glue in the nail can actually stick to my nails a little better. Not a lot though, since I'm not trying to destroy my natural nail, but just a little bit to rough it up. I'm gonna go in one more time with the cotton pad just to get all the excess off my nails. Okay, just clean this area real quick. There we go. All right, next thing you want to do is grab your set, your glue-on nails, and make sure you find the right size for each of your fingers. So you can either get them out or you... All right. So what you do is you just try to find the right size for each nail. Oop, wrong way. This would be a little too small. And you pretty much just check, you know, whichever is the most suitable for your fingers. And once you think you've picked the right one, just put it to the side. And make sure they are obviously not too big. Like this, as you can see, would be too big for my finger, like for my thumb. But it's also not supposed to be too, what's the word, too tight, because the chances of it just coming off the nail is way easier that way. All right, I feel like this could work for my thumb. And then you literally just go over it with every finger that you have, and then sort them. Yeah, this could go for my ring finger. And then you pretty much just put them in a line the way you would want them to go. All right, so once you found a nail for each of your fingers and you have them all laid out, it is time to glue them on. And I know you can purchase these just by themselves as well, so they don't just only come with the nail kit. And actually, this one is pretty good. Like, I have not been disappointed so far. It works, it is really strong, and the nails will not come off. So like I said, the next step that you want to do is glue each of those nails on. You're not going to need a lot of glue, like literally a little goes a long way. I think in their description they say you just put a little on the nail and like a small dot on your finger as well. And what you want to do is just press the nail onto yours for about 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just press it down. Make sure there's no little air bubbles or something underneath the nail. Alrighty. First one is on. Don't worry, it's gonna look a little crazy in the beginning, but obviously we are going to file them all down and customize them the way we would want them to be. So don't worry if in the beginning it's gonna look a little crazy. Like I said, 5 to 10 seconds, just push it down. There you go, and move on to the next one. Alright, my camera stopped recording at some point, but I think you still got the first hand down that I did. Right now we have all the nails on. They're looking a little crazy, but like I said, we're going to customize them, we're going to file them down, and now is pretty much the time where you decide if you want them as long as they come. Do you want to cut them a little bit? I usually go with like I think it's called the coffin style or ballerina nail style, and I think I'm going to shorten them a little bit, but not too much. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. I have my little nail scissors here, and I'm just gonna go in and cut them a little bit, not too much since they're gonna look crazy, not too much since we're still gonna file them down, and that's gonna take a little bit off the nail as well, so just a tiny bit. Here we go. Okay, getting rid of that. All right, so now that we have them at the length that we want them to be, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the filing. That is pretty much the longest part about doing your own nails, since that can be a little tricky, but if you do it here and there, if you've been doing it for a while, then you get your little groove. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna fast forward this part. I think you guys get the deal, and like I said, to each their own. Everyone can customize it the way they want it to, and yeah, I'm gonna just get started with that. Alright, so we are done filing the nails. I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick to get all the residue from the filing off my hands, and I'll be right back. What I like to do after I filed all the nails the way I wanted them, I just go in with this little nail buffer real quick and just buff the underside of the nail out. Alright, once you're done with that, I'm going to go over the nail with nail polish remover one more time, just to make sure there really is no residue. So I'm just trying to clean the nails real quick. Alright, now is the fun part. We are going to use nail polish. What I'm going to be using is the MAC Nail Lacquer in Cream Delicate. I'm going to just go with a clear nail polish on top once this is all dried up. And yeah. Alright guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll make sure to list all of the products that I've used today in the description box below, and I hope to see you guys next time.